Hi there, welcome to the Chainlink weekly Wyckoff wild speculation. So we're looking at the weekly chart of Chainlink. For Link, basically I have also drawn a few tags, these orange tags that signifies the accumulation period, similar to what AFEX has. So these tags, although it's tentative, given it's still early stage where massive price actions could happen, it's probably at least indicates the price has entered at least the preliminary support, this PS, not PlayStation, but preliminary support stage. The selling climax and automatic rally is tentative, because if we refer to the 2022 period, after the PS, there's still certain level of decline before it fully enters the accumulation period, where the trading activity are mostly horizontal. So as of this moment, it's still kind of waving up and down. So I don't think it has reached the selling climax yet. However, we need to observe, because something like this period in last year, third, fourth quarter, can still happen. So it's a very short accumulation period compared to this much longer one over here. And then another climb happened. So it all depends on the macro environment and what's coming in the horizon. So if like last year there were like pro-crypto government's news, all those kind of positive news going around, it's easier for things like this to happen. However, currently the environment, at least from macro perspective, is full of uncertainty, and that's not something very good, at least for altcoins. For Bitcoin, that's another story, because some very positive stories or pictures can be painted for Bitcoin, even if the world is in chaos. So going back to Link, that's the big picture. And if we go to the daily chart, currently the price has gone outside of this downward playground zone. So let me put it over here. So we have like 7 days of prices or candlesticks closing outside of the box. So in these situations, I would consider this blue playground zone has completed its time or its lifetime, and a new playground zone is being developed. And if we look at these yellow lines, this one, this lower yellow line, I mentioned in past sessions that this is like a support resistance line defined by the peaks over here during the 2024 accumulation period. So that's how it has been supporting the price levels over the past 7 days. So it will be interesting to see whether the price will continue to bounce between at least these two yellow lines, if not like here below the white line. So the white line is basically the resistance line defined by this long-term playground zone that started since 2019. So over the next few days, it will be, very critical to see whether the price will retest the support level like earlier this month, or will it go up and test the white line. So given the macro picture I talked about in the beginning, it won't be easy unless there's some very positive news coming out for altcoins in order for Link to perform such price surge upwards. So that's for Chainlink. I'll move on to